Hello everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon and subscribe my channel. Yeah, coming to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about some exception handling using mail configuration. Today's class we are going to configure Gmail connectivity, also exceptions of process. Okay, let's start our scenario now. So this is our iFlow which we have discussed in our previous class. For this iFlow, I am going to create one exceptions of process and how to configure Gmail. First of all, we will configure the Gmail. So for that, to configure Gmail, we need to do some configurations and Gmail account level. Guys, this is for only practice purpose. This real time is different. Real time we will have to configure Outlook, so that part base system will take care, but our practice purpose and training purpose, we will use this our Gmail. Okay, and now first of all, to configure Gmail, here we have to we have a URL or link, whatever, https colon myaccount.google.com and apps password. Okay, we have to log into this URL, which our personal Gmail account. Okay, go to here, we have to log into here. So after login, we can create our app password here, and you can give any CPI underscore some mail. I am giving the name. You can give any name here, but meaningful name better to give. Okay, just create it. So this password will be generated. We have to save this password in our any desktop, and then close here. We have successfully created the app password. Now come here, go to CPI and go to here. First of all, we have to create the credentials using this password. Okay, we will create the credentials here. Sorry, it got close, and we will create the credentials here. Create credentials. Here name, you can give any name, CPA underscore mail or email, you can give any name here. And here user, we have to provide your user here, nothing but our Gmail. So we have to provide our Gmail, and we have to copy this password which we have saved, right? That password we have to give here. Okay, repeat same password. Just here our, you can give alias name, anything. Here our Gmail, and user is nothing but our Gmail, and password and repeat password we have to give, which we have saved earlier, right? This one. Now I am going to deploy it. So it is successfully deployed. Okay, so I am going to copy this. Okay, so Gmail is, this is my credentials, alias name. Okay, this is done, this part is done. Now next part is we have to download the this Gmail certificates. So how to download the Gmail certificates, we will see. Go to connectivity, go to here SMPT. Here the host is nothing but this one, smt.gmail.com. this is the host. Okay, and port is 465, we have to use 465. It is, keep it as it is. Okay, keep none and send. Okay, send. not valid host. Okay, here we entered smtp.gmail.com. This is the correct host, and again click on send. Okay, here certificates. Okay, we have to download this certificate. This is the Gmail certificate. Go to the folder and just extract it, zip folder. We will have three certificates here, 1 2 3 3 certificates. We have to import these three certificates in our CPI key store. Okay, now go to key store, overview, and go to key store. We have to add these certificates to our key store, our CPI key store. One by one we will add the key store. For certificate, here we can give any name, alias name, but I am giving me a meaningful name to identify easily. And I have added first certificate. Okay, and I am going to add second certificate here. Gmail underscore, this one, confirm. This is just warning, you can confirm directly, no problem. And next certificate is last one. This is the leave certificate. I am going to, this is already gmail.com is there, so no need to add anything. So I have added successfully three certificates here. Okay, the certification part has been completed. Now I am going to our previous scenario, come here and add exception subprocess window, exception subprocess. Add here anywhere in this exception subprocess. Okay, now add one receiver for mail configuration. This is the receiver, and we have to send the data, right? Go to external call and take, okay, sorry, okay, send, take here mail adapter. Okay, this is the mail adapter. We have to configure inside mail adapter what we should provide. Here address we have to provide. Address is nothing but combination of host and port, like this. Okay, address is nothing but combination of host and port, like this. And this is of authentication is, this is not of SMTPS. And credential name, we already saved the credential name in our desktop. Here, so this is our connectivity details we have to provide, and this is the credential name which we have already configured under security material. Here security material we have imported all key stores. Okay, now connectivity part is completed, and here we have to provide any our from email. So I am going to give same email to also, or we can give here I'll give some other dummy mail. Okay, and subject I'll give calculator later iflow failed in some can dev. Okay, some dev environment. Okay, I am going to give body, I will keep it as it is. Okay, also I can give here hi team calculator been failed in CPI in dev environment or production environment, quality environment. Okay, you can give any environment based on this. And here thanks CPI AMS team. Okay, CPI AMS team I am going to give. This is the body. Okay, now we will see the flow, how it works. Okay, I have configured everything here, and I will shoot whenever if our iFlow is failed, then we will get the mail notification to our Gmail. Okay, mail notification to our Gmail we will get. Now we will see whether we will get the mail alert to our account or not. Okay, after configuring this exception subprocess window. Okay, now keep trace and deploy it. Before the trace, I'll give some wrong URL at target site so that it should fail, right? Some 1 2 3 I am adding at the end. So this is wrong URL. When hit to this SOAP URL, it should fail. Okay, that is our expectations. Deploy it. Deploy. So here is the deployed content. This is the deployed content. Okay, it is successfully deployed. Okay, we already endpoint not yet generated. Let's wait for the endpoint. But iFlow is successfully deployed. We already tested, right, earlier. Let me check that URL is available. Yeah, URL is available and data is also available. Just we have to test it. Okay, see, same endpoint, calculator test, same endpoint, calculator test, HTTP 103 something. Okay, yeah, same. Just I am going to send the data. See, we'll see. So this is successful, but it should fail, right? It should fail, but here it is showing successful. We'll see. We will monitor this iFlow in our. So it is successfully completed. Now go to trace mode. Here go to trace mode, and once you see, oh, it is failed. While see here, it failed while hitting to SOAP. Why? Because we have given wrong URL, so that's why it was failed. Here it was failed. Okay, and mail also triggered. Okay, here if you see, mail also triggered for failure case. So now we will see we have received mail successfully here, right guys? We have received a mail successfully saying that hi team, failed in dev environment, right? So now, but it failed in our scenario, but when you see here, it was showing the status is completed successfully, right? But when you go to inside the flow, it was failed due to some connectivity issue or wrong URL. If you see here, you can check the log content also. It failed some due to this URL. Okay, wrong URL. Why it completed even it fails? It should fail, right? So if you delete it, go here. Here, what is there? End message. Here end message event we have configured here. So instead of end message event, if you give error event, then it will show the failure status here. You can see. Delete it. Go to here, error event. Go to error end event here. Okay, save and deploy. Okay, let's wait for the pop-up for successfully deployed. Yeah, it is successfully deployed. Now we will hit again. See here, 500 error came. Now we will go to here and see the status. Refresh it. It failed now. Why? Because after changing this end event as error, then here status shown as the fail. Why? Because this is the failure message. Okay, due to some issues, some connectivity issue. We can see the connectivity also here. Okay, could not send the message. After going to inside this, you can see the error message as well here, complete error message. Okay, this is now I will give the correct one, correct URL. I will change the URL so that we will see. 1 2 3, I am reviewing 1 2 3, save and deploy. Okay, waits for the successful message, deploy message. Yeah, see, successfully deployed. Now I am going to send it. Here we have received the response properly. Go to here. Now see the status is complete. Why? Because it is end to end successfully completed. Okay, here only 3 messages are there. Okay, there are so many messages. Then how can we find the failure message? There are so many messages. Then how can we find through email? Here just I will receive this information. Using this information, once we filter this iFlow, there will be a lot of messages or a lot of failures. If you want to check some particular failure or particular failed message, then how can we identify easily? Through email. We will see now. Okay, this is previous one only. So for that purpose, what I will do, go here inside the message. Here this is failure message, right? Failure message. Go to message content of anything. Here exchange properties. No exchange properties. In exchange properties, not here. Here this is the message ID logged using this parameter header dot this parameter. I am going to maintain this property in our mail body so that we can easily find the exact error information or a failed message. Here I will give like me message ID colon dollar property dot that copied log message. That property I have maintained here. Okay, now I will give one wrong URL again. Some 1 2 3, save and deploy. Save and deploy. Wait for successful pop-up. Yeah, it is successfully deployed. Now send again. So it failed again due to incorrect URL. Go back. You see, it is failed. So this error, this message ID, right? This message ID should be, come in our email notification. Should be available in our email notification. We'll see message ID came. So using this message ID, we can easily search for that particular message. See, right? So if a lot of messages failed, a lot of messages are there, then using this message ID, we can easily filter that particular failure message here. Okay, if you want to capture this error details also, we have one more property. Then we will maintain that property in our mail body so that exception.message, message.exception something. Let me. This is error message colon dollar message dot exception or exception dot message. I'll try this. Save, deploy. So successfully deployed here. Now send this. Yeah, it failed again. Now you should receive mail. Might be it failed at here on itself. Remove it. It failed, but it failed at mail level due to our property is not correct one. No mail notification received. While sending mail, it failed. So here once we see this log message, unknown property, this is unknown property, some message dot exception, this is not available. So our property is wrong. Let me give like this, exception dot message, exception dot message, save. Okay, let's wait for. Yeah, it is successfully completed. Now send data. It is failed again. We should receive C. Could not send message something. Oh, we have received the exception also. Okay, could not send the message. Go to trace level. We'll see the exception inside is. This go to here. We are unable to see this exchange property here, but actually exchange property is like this, exchange dot dollar exception dot message. Once we then error message also we can see in our mail notification. Like this we will configure the exception subprocess along with the mail notifications. Okay, this is for our training purpose. I have configured this Gmail, but in our real time scenario we'll configure our Outlook SMTP address here, and authentication also they will provide. Okay, basis team will take it. Basis team will share all this address and authentication details so that we can easily configure it. But training purpose like this we have to configure. Okay, thanks guys watching my channel. Please subscribe for more updates guys. Please support me, and next class I am going to explain how to send attachment, okay, to email. Okay, please keep watching. Please share and subscribe with your colleagues and friends for more updates guys. Please support me. Thank you very much.